Oh, hey, I'm Jackie Brown, and I'm so glad you're here because I have something awesome to show you. So, I know that when you're sewing, that a lot of quilters, their foot pedal, they constantly have to chase it because it keeps moving. So what you're doing is you're just pushing it with your foot without realizing it when you're pushing down, and it just keeps moving. You're continually chasing it all the time. So you get involved in sewing, and then you can't reach your foot pedal anymore. So you have to stop what you're doing, pick it up, and reposition it. So I have a solution to that. So Martelli came up with this foot pedal platform. Pretty awesome. No, nice surface here where your foot pedal will stick to it. Look at that. It just sits there, and it's not going to get away from me. It also is at a nice slant, and you can adjust it to your liking. So with these little feet, they screw, and the back feet, you can adjust them to however high you want it, or how low you want it, or even your slant. So this is also good too. I was having back trouble there for a while, and that is something I don't want to have anymore. And this is really good to have it at a slant because it really helps with your back so that you're not leaning over and hunching. You can, sit up straight a little bit better and enjoy the process of piecing or making garments or whatever you do. I love sewing, but chasing my foot pedal can sometimes be a nightmare. Even on carpet, it moves. So there you have it. So now I'm just going to do a little demo for you. I'm going to put my foot pedal over here, and I like to sew with my shoe off. Don't ask me why, I just do. And so now I'm just going to give it a shot here. All right, let's go. I'm sewing a 1/4 inch seam. And usually at this point, see, I haven't sewn that far. And usually at this point, without using the foot pedal platform, my foot, my machine foot gets away from me by now. So, and it just gets further and further away. But now that I have the platform here, it stays, and I can enjoy the process of sewing and concentrate more on nice, straight, even 1/4 inch seams. It's pretty awesome. I enjoy sewing.